Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I start the mains, how I get my main started on my Pro Stringer without a starting clamp, okay? So I've got it to this point already, and I'm going to start the tension. Okay. I'll come up here close. So tension, the first main there, which is, I'd say, one left. And I'm going to weave this one through. This one. So now what I've got is I've tensioned the left main, first left main, and now I'm going to clamp it onto here. It's going to hold tension there. Okay, now what I do here is, because I've tensioned the first L and the second L, I'm going to take this back and I'm going to tension the first right main this way, okay? So these two are already tensioned here, right? But this one isn't. So I'm just going to go back on that one a little bit. Okay. And I'm just going to take that off. So now, essentially all three have been tensioned. The first and second left main, and the first right main.
Keep it going.
Yeah. Okay. Now, just to get the first two mains on the left and right side consistent, I am going to pull through and then tension the second. I'm not doing a very good job with this today. Usually I go faster, but for the sake of this video, going slow. And this is the last step. Tension there. So now I got all four mains tensioned. I'll use their little clamp for this one. Get up there as close as I can to the top. Okay, take this one out. All four mains have been tensioned. Thanks for watching.